approach to CSS Grid right now so you can use it when you walk out of this room. First, build accessible mobile-first layouts without grid. That is your baseline. So make it work on a mobile phone, make it sure that it still works when it's on a wide screen. Then, use that mobile-first layout as the fallback. So if everything goes to hell, mobile-first works. Then use add support to detect grid support. At the appropriate breakpoint, when everything starts looking weird, add a grid, then keep scaling up the width of the screen. Add another grid, and another grid, and another grid, because people have screens that are this wide right now. So you need to account for that. If you don't believe me, go to my brother's house. He has a ridiculously huge screen. So, remember the layout I drew? That was impossible. If you apply grid to it, it's not only impossible, it's something that makes sense and just works. And it's the layout that's in the new theme on my website. You can go check it out on GitHub and put it on your own site as well. Your path to CSS Grid starts here, today, right now. Number one, use Firefox when you develop, because Firefox has a grid inspector. So anytime you find an element that has grid on it, there's a little hashtag type thing that's supposed to look like a grid. And if you click on that in the inspector, the grid lines appear in your browser. You can actually see the grid while you're working with it. I'm sure the other browsers will catch up. Right now, Firefox has it. Second, Rachel Andrew has a website called Grid by Example. This is basically doctrine. Rachel Andrew is, by and large, the reason why we have CSS Grid in browsers today. She's been pushing it for years and years and years, and she's documented absolutely everything. So if you want to know how it works, go to Grid by Example. Mozilla Developer Network has tons of documentation, most of it written by either Rachel Andrew or Jen Simmons. It is a great resource. It's documented every single property and everything that's going on. CSS Tricks has a complete guide to CSS Grid, which is just like the complete guide to Flexbox, which is also the same content over again. Coon, my new theme, which is running on my website, is on GitHub, and you can go check it out, pick it apart, send pull requests, complain about the lack of internationalization. What you'll notice is CSS Grid respects text direction, so there's no RTL style sheet, because with CSS Grid you don't need it anymore. I wrote an article about this that came out in Smashing Magazine yesterday called Building Production-Ready CSS Grid Layout Today. That covers what I talked about here, plus how I designed the theme, plus a bunch of other stuff. Go read it. Go where you want to go. Go where you want the web to go, and the rest will follow.